Hi guys, it's Jesse Dean Domingo. Today, I'm gonna make the bread nutella for snacks. First, we need 2 pieces of bread and nutella. And the buttermilk. Just spread it the bread. And we use a toaster. We spread 2 pieces of bread and use a cap to make a shape of circle. Together. Okay, we need a cap to make the shape of circle. Now, we need to put a toaster. And now, we put the bread nutella in the toaster. Now we have to wait 10 minutes. So, let's see it. Wow. Okay. Time is up. Now here's the bread nutella. In 10 minutes. I hope it tastes good. Well, if you like my video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. So I see you in the next video. Peace.